People, so I'm gonna make this one quick and easy. Wife's car, 2016 GMC Acadia Denali, wouldn't start. So grabbed my tools, came out to the parking lot, and I think we got a bad neutral switch because it's running right now. So that's the first thing I would check, because it's no crank, no start, no nothing. Basically, it's running right now. So if I kill it and just try to restart it, nothing. Now if I put it in neutral, it starts right up, and that is a clear indication we got a bad neutral safety switch. And looks like I gotta replace that now, but it's a quick way to figure that out. Otherwise you can go on to the other things like your starter relay and fuses and whatnot. But